Hey guys, what's going on? It is Tcarp. All right, this is filming this on Halloween and having a lot of fun. I've got kids going this way and selling dad's house and doing all this and having bank stuff. It's just been, it's been crazy. But you guys didn't come here for that. You guys came here for the gun, knife, prepping, all that fun stuff. And this is just going to be just kind of a chill talk about thing. I wanted to talk to you guys today about this little Scout King from Marbles. So in my EDC journey, you know, I went through the not knowing anything about knives to my uncle getting me a Kershaw Skyline and me trying to figure out like, oh man, this is cool. This is a flipper. It's so much better than traditional knives that, you know, I'd seen, you know, my dad carry or whatnot. It's so much better than this. So I went through the EDC phase of flippers and tactical and all that stuff. And man, I have just really worked my way back to traditional. And I wonder if any of you guys have done that. Put that down in the comments if you have worked your way back to traditional, or you really still do like the tactical stuff. And I still do as well. And this Scout King, again from Marbles, you know, I'm a big Dave Canterbury fan. He's a bushcraft guy. I've got several of his books. I have been to 2 of his classes. Got my basic patch here from his class, so that is no small task. But he went on a collaboration with Marbles for these old Boy Scout knives. So, and I wanted to kind of show you that, and that's let's see, that's his signature right there. This is a Dave Canterbury edition of this. So I'm going to show you this knife, and then I'm going to show you the price on it. So yes, I want to say this is made in China. Okay, that is it. That is one of those things, and a lot of people get really wrapped around the axle about that. Made in China. And I would say to you is like, okay, you can get American-made products, and I want American-made products. Let me make that very, very clear. I do want American-made products. But a knife like this is going to cost 3 times as much. Just being real with you. Just being real. And that's is what it is. Okay. And these people need to make money. Dave Canterbury or Marbles needs to make money. And you may buy this for 3 times as much as the cost, but most Americans won't. So you have to, as a corporation, figure out what people will spend money on and how can you make a profit off of it. And it's just all the game there. It's part of life. Anyway, so I want to show you this knife. This is the Marbles Scout King. This is modeled after an old Boy Scout knife. So you've got the famous loop here. You've got your main blade right here. Again, you'll see the Dave Canterbury signature on it. Very decent walk and talk. Very easy to open. Like it. The spring is not super strong, but for kids, you don't want like a super strong one anyway. You really don't. You want it easy open. So you have your main blade here, and let's check out how sharp that bad boy is. This blade is made out of 440A stainless steel, which is okay. It's got a 55 to 58 Rockwell hardness. It'll keep a decent edge, and in my opinion, it's stainless steel, so it's not gonna rust down on you too bad. So let's check the sharpness on it. Hey, not bad there. Got a little, all right, very cool. Not bad, okay? Again, not bad, not bad. And you can just easily sharpen this with your good old-fashioned, the best sharpener in the world, which I have talked about over and over and over again, your Work Sharp field sharpener. You can get it razor sharp. You can get razor sharp, okay? Not super hard to do it. So you've got that, you've got your main blade. Then you've got your can opener. Good old-fashioned can opener. Then you have your cap lifter and a flathead screwdriver if need be, okay? And then you have your awl or reamer. Now I haven't used this awl or reamer. I would like it to be sharp. I understand why that's not, but I would like it to be sharp, personally. And that's it, okay? Decent little pocket knife. Again, not bad. Now, I'm gonna tell you the price of this, okay? This is perfect, by the way, for kids in the woods. Perfect, like absolutely perfect. That's, I can understand why the Boy Scouts recommended this. But anyway, price on this, 20 bucks. 20 bucks. That right there. And it teaches kids how to keep a knife sharp, how to maintain it. It's not gonna, you know, last you so long, but it's a great knife to introduce people to it. And it's a great knife to carry yourself. To get you, I mean, I've been carrying this thing for a month and a half. So I say all that to say, like, 20 bucks, like, you'll spend 20 bucks on a knife. And a knife doesn't have to be a super steel. Yeah, I mean, super steels are nice. I love super steel knives. Love them. But you don't have to have it all the time. It's okay to take a few swipes on the work sharp and get it done with. But guys, this is the Scout King by Marbles, the Dave Canterbury edition. 20 bucks. Easy piece. I'll see if I can put a link down below. And you guys can, if you'd like to, you can buy it there. It's not an affiliate link, but just to kind of make life easier for you guys. All right, there you go. Guys, thanks so much for watching. This is Tcarp signing out. This is just a quick little review of the Scout King by Marbles. Y'all be good.